And we're back. We had the ceiling covered while we left. We are here to take down the blowers, clean them, and reinstall them. Here's the blowers we're going to be taking down. What's cool about this is that it's 2 motors and we can take this down separately. We're going to follow these wires into here. Here's our control panel, and I can see they are right here, and they go into this board on the right. Right here, we got a maintenance record, September 2015. It is now September 2023. It's not bad. It's only 8 years. Come on. Maintenance is a joke. Here's the harness. We're gonna follow the wires. So it's right here. One here and one up here. There's like a little clip. You press the clip and you pull it out. Aside from those 2 clips, each motor has a ground wire. It's gonna be a green wire, goes straight to the metal. We're just taking it off with a Phillips screwdriver, and then we can pull the harness out. So it looks like the best way to take down this assembly is, you see we have some bolts here. Should be able to just take off the 1, 2 bolts there, and then 2 on that side. As far as the motor, you can take it off with the bracket. But then there's 2 screws up top here that are kind of hard to get to. So I think I might just loosen the motor. Just 1, 2 screws, and then 3 for this piece. And then this whole thing will pull out. So the 4 on the outside, the 2 nuts and bolts for the motor, and this little piece right here, and this whole thing should come down. This screw. Okay. Those 2. Oh, there's a 3rd one over here. Nice. That's loose. This motor is probably gonna kind of drop a little. I might sit in there. Oh, there's another one on top. So it's actually 4 screws. It's 4. So 1 more on top. Man, that one is rusted. So 1 more on top. Either way, it's tricky. It's hard to get down one, or the ones up top over there. I can't even see them. Just kind of doing this one blinded. Fit it with my hand. The drill on there. Okay, I loosened it. Just hate doing things blinded. On the other side of this motor, we have this opening here. I'm thinking if I loosen the motor, I could actually just open up this panel and then pull the whole motor out with the squirrel cage. It's not too rusted to open. And we'll take all the weight out. All right, Chris, I'm gonna try to push that motor towards me. Can it fit? I thought maybe we could pull it out just like that. Let me see. Nah, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. You could leave it down. Actually, let's put it back. Let's put it back. Leave it like that. Leave it like that. I'm gonna have to take it down. Let's see what happens. See this thing getting loose? Oh yeah. All right, Christian, let's switch ladders. You're gonna support this for me on this side. You're gonna support this. Okay, let me get the light. Hold it, Chris, okay? All right, that worked. Okay, ready, man?
Got it.
All right. Got it?
Yeah.
Hold up, let me pull this wire out. All right, come down with it. Pull it out. Loosen it up. Let's bring it down. It's not coming down. Hold up, hold up. Pan is in the way.
Yeah.
Jesus, man. There's no way we can tilt this thing. What a nightmare. Push this to the side a little bit. Oh, yo, good thinking, Chris. All right, this was definitely not the right way to do it. We need that pan out the way, but we got it out. And I marked the motor. And then we got to figure out what to do with this thing after. We got to get this pan out the way somehow. LG seriously didn't make it easy for us. I think if I take off another screw here, dude, this is wild. Why would you need to take the condensate pan out to change anything here? Oh, this thing is just ridiculous to work on. Hold that blow, right? Ugh. Ooh, there's still some mud in here.
There you go.
Ugh. Sheesh. All right, bring it down, brother.
All right.
That's it. It's down.
Okay.
Oh boy. Well, that's nice. A lot of dirt came out of there. Yeah, this one's gonna be easy to take down, so pretty much we're gonna repeat this process here. Here's the pump. They want to change this. Look, this is like a little float here. Here's the pump, and it's like a little coil. Alrighty then. Mold. Gross. All right, so pretty much from here, I don't know if loosening the motor was a good idea. I think it's better just to take it off from the brackets. We're gonna vacuum that up with the wet vac and then rinse it off with fresh water. Crazy thing is I was actually hitting this with the pressure washer yesterday, but look at all that dirt that came out of the coil. Yeah, so now that we have the space truly free, I'm just gonna take off the 4 bolts for this and then take out the screws for the bracket just so everything's in place and we don't damage anything. There's one stubborn screw in there, I can't get it out, so we're gonna pull it out from the motor, and this we're gonna do the same thing as the other one. All right, we're loose, man. Hold that good, hold it good. wiggle it out. All right, bring it down. Bring it down. Rest it on the over there. And get this out. Now let's bring it down.
Got it. Yes, sir.
You got the motor, you got that. Bring it down right here. Right down.
All right.
There we go.
All right.
I'm gonna separate this just so we can clean it easier. Really rinse down that casing. Let's go ahead and rinse everything off. You can see there's a buildup of mold on here, and that definitely needs to be washed out. We didn't want to clean it in the ceiling because we could have blown it out. It would have went all over us. Then eventually it would have went into the ductwork, and when we turned it on, it would just blow throughout the whole duct system. The point is to get rid of everything. So we definitely want to clean that up. Plus we're also going to have better airflow. So that's pretty much the idea here. These are sealed motors, so you're okay. You just want to protect the end of the wire. But yeah, we're moving along. So we're just gonna clean all this up. Everything's looking a lot better. And then we're gonna assemble everything back. Everything is nice and clean. So we're gonna go ahead and put the motor with the blower inside of the housing. Close that up. And we're gonna start putting everything back. Now we're gonna pull the wire through. Take that. Okay, and I'm gonna push this through. Grab the motor. Okay, neatly. All right, let it drop. Stay right there. And we're just gonna put this cover back on and zip the screws back in. You're good. And now we're just doing the same thing for the other side, so it's prepped. While we're doing this, we got another service call for another LG system, and it's gonna be fun. Hold on, come to the left. Go to the left a little. All right, hold on. I gotta get this wire through. You're holding it good?
Yeah.
All right, hold up. Okay, try to wiggle it into place. Match it up with the holes.
A little more to my...
To the right, man, to the right. Pick it up straight. Wait. Wait. Hold on. This has to match. All right, go to the right, up and to the right. It's not going. You're almost there. A little bit. All right, hold up.
Almost. A little bit more.
Yeah.
There we go.
You got it?
Yes.
Yeah, right there. Hold it right there, okay?
Got it.
Hold it right there. I need extension. Hold it right there, brother. Up and to the right a little bit. Got it. Okay, hold it. Are the holes lining up? You see where for your unit? Push it a little bit to the right. Right there, right there. Watch your right hand. Okay. Okay, you can let go. Should I balance it a little?
Guys, no rush. Yeah.
Oh yeah, got it.
Thank you.
All right, let me get on that side. Got a service call for the next LG unit. What a beautiful day. All right, this part is in. Now we just gotta get the 4 bolts back onto the motor. Start that by hand. All right, and then we just gotta keep it going. Spin the wheel. Everything's already lined up, looks good. We just gotta get that last screw in. It's kind of hard to do because you kind of just gotta feel around, but the other 3 are in, so the other one should fit right in. While we're here, I'm gonna get a model number of this motor so we know it's actually, oh, it's another DC motor, 208 volts, DC 208, half horsepower. It's in. Give it this last little tightening, and that's it. Got one more screw for this. That's it. And we'll double check to make sure that is tight. Is this the same size? It is. We're gonna hit that real quick just to make sure nothing got loose. And this is how you put it back. There we go. Spin the shaft. No rubbing, everything's secure. And we can run the wire back into the panel, but let's get this other blower up. Yeah. All right, same one. Let's start with the wire. Let's go up. Watch your head over there. Let me get this through while I hold the motor. You okay?
Yeah.
All right, hold up. Hold up. Get it through. All right, line it up. Up a little more. Yeah, right there. Hold it right there, okay?
Yep.
Hold it right there. Let me get the top one in first. Okay, it's helping you out already. Got that. Good. Switch sides. And I'm gonna put those other 2 screws in. And then we're gonna do the motor. All right. Just gonna start this by hand as well and pretty much just repeat that same process. All right, Chris, you can let go. Thank you. So now I'm just gonna run these wires into the panel, but they do have these little clips here to kind of support it and keep it in place. Let's not keep it bent. So we do this nice and neat. Right? Then we can run these in and wire them. All right, wires are neat. Tie wrap them there. We're gonna run them in, make them a little neater. And we're just gonna plug them back to exactly where we took them off on this control board. The condensate pan looks a lot better. Some of this stuff is just rusted apart. And yeah, grab the end. All right, it sits on that back lip over there. Yep, right there. Hold up. Hold up. Are you against the wall? Hold on, hold on. Oh, you're in? Yeah. Okay, hold up. This is... It's not going in this corner. There we go.
There you go.
Okay. Now we're gonna put this back. And this hole, we're gonna put the screws back in. And that's how it sits. It'll probably hold itself at this point. It's pretty tight in there. Just make sure you pull it back in that corner in the back against the unit. Well, you see there's like a little foam right here? Look, Chris, a little foam here. You got a little foam on that side. So make sure it's pressed against it as well. Yeah? It's probably as tight as it can be. Should be good. We're just gonna put the screws. I only took off those screws to like move this plate a little bit.
Yeah.
And we should be good here. Alright guys, that was it. That's how we got that back in there. Everything is good. Condensate pan, blower, cleaned. This is a part 3 of this one job alone, and it's not ending here. They want to change the condensate pump, so we're waiting for that to come in. So while we wait for that, we're going to leave this open so everything dries, because the old insulation around in the inside of the unit is wet. We're going to cover up the ceiling again while we wait for the parts. Then we're going to put the unit all back together after we install the pump. Then what they want to do is actually install an air scrubber, an electric air filter, which is amazing. We're going to go over the benefits of that. And then we're going to run the machine just with a fan for like a few days and hopefully kill mold and a bunch of viruses. From there, we're going to turn the machine on, make sure it's okay, make sure there's no water in the duct, because that was the original issue that we found and we came here for. If we know that there's no air in the duct, we're going to be replacing this section which goes into the other side of this room. We're going to be replacing that duct to finish off the job, but only when we know 100% everything is good. The reason there was water in that duct is because the air filter and coil were completely filthy, and there's a good chance it created a vacuum because of that alone and shot water into the duct. Could also be some kind of drain issue. We're just taking this one step at a time, but as far as this video, this is how you take apart the blower section, clean the condensate pan, take apart the motors, install them, how to clean everything and wire everything, disconnect. So yeah, if anyone found this video interesting or helpful, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe as I come out with new videos every week. And I'll catch you all next time.